Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Honda CBR500R. This is the ABS equipped model. Beautiful white and red paint scheme with the black highlights. Brand new tires, only 6,500 miles on this gorgeous lightweight twin cylinder fuel injected 500. Come on by and make your lightweight sport bike dreams come true. This gorgeous CBR. I love the paint scheme on this. Only $72.99. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.